We put 2 crews to the challenge. Each crew was instructed to install a 100-foot run of 2-inch EMT in their normal way. The red crew uses 10-foot lengths of Wheatland EMT. The yellow crew uses 20-foot lengths. Both crews fully prep their EMT before beginning. The yellow crew quickly learns that 20-foot lengths are easy to carry and less awkward than carrying 2 10-foot lengths. And they find out 20-foot EMT requires less connection time and 50% fewer couplings. Runs with 20-foot sections are also straighter with fewer failure points. While the red crew continues to install 10-foot sections. After 6 minutes and 40 seconds, the yellow crew finishes. The yellow team demonstrates that 20-foot sections are faster and easier to install and provide for a straighter, cleaner run. In long-run applications, Wheatland 20-foot EMT and rigid conduit installs faster and straighter and requires 50% fewer connections. Plus, your crew won't have to change the way they work. Work smart, save time, and cut costs with Wheatland Tube 20-foot options.